Hey, let me show you how you can properly install two SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S26. So what you have to do is just to grab that SIM ejection tool and input that SIM ejection tool just over here. Now, while holding, just press gently and remove that tool and grab SIM slot with your two fingers. And we have to input one of our SIM card with this cutout into this side. Now you have to hold it with your second finger. It's important because if you didn't, then the card will fall out of the slot. And now we have to just repeat and input the card with this cutout over here. And now while holding both cards, just like this, remember to hold them because they will fall out of the slot. And we have to align that part. So we have to rotate like so. Now input them gently. And we have to actually put it like so. Now we can gently press this. Just do this slowly and use your fingernail. Now it's completely flat and both SIM cards